Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number EV80D. This is a dark brown vinyl door bottom or door shoe. This is a very common piece of equipment that you're going to see on residential doors. Front doors of homes, attached garage doors, pre-hung type doors. You'll very commonly see this. And it's a very efficient way to seal the bottom of the door. It's reasonably durable. It's easy to install and it's easy to replace. And here's what I mean. It's certainly reasonably inexpensive. Very rigid plastic, backer here and here. The front of it is kind of like a drip cap sort of scenario. And then, of course, you have those fins down in the bottom. These are literally stapled to the bottom of the door. Literally. They're very effective at sealing the bottom of the door. And obviously easy to remove the staples and replace. You do have to unhang the door. Overall is about 9/16, and this is going to be intended for 1 3/4 thick doors. And I have certainly replaced these over time. Okay, you can see where that falls into an 1 3/4 thick door. Okay. Overall now, about 2 1/8 or so. But that inside plateaued area is about 1 5/8. I've replaced these because the only downside that these really have is that they're not going to last forever in an environment where you have the propensity for someone to leave a shoe behind the door. So literally a shoe is left behind the door is pushed open, pulled back, shoe gets stuck. Eventually these fins will start to break here. That's what I've witnessed. They'll tear off, they'll start to get long and hang, and you'll see it under the door, at the bottom of the door when you open and close. But that sort of scenario is in only that instance. I have never replaced one of these for the reason of fatigue just over time. These last very long, and in fact, I've seen these last upwards of 20 years in those residential applications. So that's really the only time that you're going to have trouble with one of these is when the hardware is being asked to do something that it's not meant to do. You do have to have that specific height or allowance from the sill to the bottom of the door when you're installing this, but you just calculate that into your installation. Okay. This is dark brown, dual durometer vinyl door shoe. Dual durometer, that's a reference to the material that it's made of, this rigid material, this material that's a bit more flexible. Used to seal the area under a door with minimal effect on the appearance of the face of the door. That's certainly true. You really can't tell from the outside that there's anything there. From the inside, you're really only going to see this small lip that's right here. Channels are punched. Okay, that doesn't belong there. Door sweeps. This is tested for sound control. Can also be ordered unnotched, which you probably, I've never sold one of these unnotched, but an unnotched would be because you want to be able to close off the bottom of the door, but you still need to provide a source of fresh air. If you had a hotel door, a suite door in a hotel, and you had an air handler, which you will, an AC unit most likely in there, you're going to need a source of fresh air to come in. That's why you may want this unnotched. Frankly, if you were ordering this unnotched, I'd say that you probably have the wrong product for a hotel sort of application. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. This is a 36-inch piece. They only sell it also in 42-inch as well. Any questions on the Pemko EV80D dark brown vinyl door bottom or door shoe, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.